The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County in southeastern Indiana, southern Dearborn County in southeastern Indiana, northern Kenton County, northern Campbell County, northern Boone County, central Hamilton County in southwestern Ohio until 6:15 p.m. At 5:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rising Sun, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Fairfield, Covington, Florence, Norwood, Forest Park, Erlanger, Fort Thomas, Newport, Sharonville, Blue Ash, Springdale, Reading, North College Hill, Madera, Edgewood, Ellesmere, Wyoming, Cheviot, and Fort Mitchell. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 10. Interstate 74 in Ohio between mile markers 8 and 19. Interstate 75 in Kentucky between mile markers 180 and 191.
It's gonna be a doubleheader.
Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 17. The severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio, South Central Ripley, southwestern Dearborn, and Switzerland counties will expire at 5:45 p.m. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area.
See, there's that new warning right there.
The warning will be
It's headed directly for me right there.
A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Indiana. Please report previous.
It's a pretty good-looking storm too for 60-mile-an-hour winds.
Going to our website at weather.gov.
Sorry you guys can't see it all that great.
And submitting your report.
Let's see if it's gonna come here. Waiting on it right now. Nope, there it is.
National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fayette County, Ohio, Clinton County in southwestern Ohio, southeastern Greene County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wilmington, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Blanchester, Sabina, Staunton, Clarksville, Martinsville, Midland, Bowersville, Port William, Milledgeville, Octa, Melvin, Lumberton, Oakland, Lees Creek, Morrisville, Ogden, Kingman, Interstate 71 at U.S. Route 68 and Cowan Lake State Park. This includes Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 43 and 66. The severe